Students, we discuss about Longwall method of mining, which is another method of mining. First of all, underground mining method divided into several types like bord and pillar mining method, Longwall mining method, horizon mining method, thick seam mining method, and etc. Longwall mining method is one of the method of mining having two methods. These are Longwall advancing and Longwall retreating. Okay, so we will discuss before Longwall bord and pillar mining method. There are two stages like development and deploying. Same as in Longwall mining method, there are two methods: Longwall advancing and Longwall retreating. So first we discuss about Longwall advancing method. What is Longwall advancing method? Okay, when the Longwall face advances from shaft side towards the panel boundary, then it is termed as Longwall advancing method. Okay, what is shaft, what is panel, and what is panel boundary? We will discuss about all in this topic. So when the Longwall face advances, means it's in the development stage. When the Longwall face advances from shaft side means towards shaft bottom side. When after surface shaft mouth in surface, at the surface we reached surface to underground, and that is called shaft bottom. So there is shaft side towards the panel boundary. Panel, I already told in last class about what is panel. So shaft side towards the panel boundary means total the mine boundary. Panel boundary means mine boundary. So shaft side towards the panel boundary. It means in shaft bottom towards the face and face towards the panel boundary. Advances, then it is termed Longwall advancing methods. It means first step of Longwall method of mining to advance a coal seam is called Longwall advancing. Longwall retreating method, we approaches to gate roadways up to the panel boundary. Two gate roadways are interconnected to fall Longwall face. Okay, so when the face advances from panel boundary towards shaft, then it is termed as Longwall retreating method. So students, simply I must tell that the Longwall advancing means from shaft side towards mine boundary or panel boundary, and that in opposite in Longwall retreating towards panel boundary to panel boundary towards shaft bottom. Okay, then in Longwall retreating method we approaches two gate roadways up to the panel boundary. Okay, two gate roadways are interconnected to fall Longwall face. Okay, and when this face advances from panel boundary towards shaft, then it is termed as Longwall retreating method. Okay, so it means first we Longwall advances, then Longwall retreating. Okay, as in showing a picture in the slide, there is Longwall system is in there. This is a cutter machine is called shearer machine, DERD or SERD, which means single ended ranging drum shearer or double ended ranging drum shearer. Okay, there is a roof support hydraulic jacks connected to each other, and a armor face conveyor is connected. Okay, so the face, the DRD and the SERD cuts, and the materials goes down to the conveyor belt and extracted from the underground to the surface by through under belt conveyor. Okay, so next point is what is the applicability condition for Longwall mining. We discuss about two types of Longwall advancing and Longwall retreating, and next applicability conditions. Okay, so when the depth of seam is more than 500 meter, okay, in bottom pillar mining within 500 meter, and the in Longwall mining is opposite, more than 500 meter. It means maximum depth. Okay, maybe 650 or 700 meter, or depends upon. When the same thickness lies within 0.75 meter to 2.5 meter, same thickness means coal seam thickness lies within 0.75 meter to 2.5 meter, then this condition is applicable for Longwall method of mining. Okay, next point is when the inclination of the seam is moderately inclined or steeply inclined. Seam, you know that in the last class I already told about. In bottom pillar mining, the inclination is moderately inclined or inclination is flat. When the inclination of the seam is moderately inclined or steeply inclined, it's applicable for Longwall mining method. Next point is equipments used in Longwall phase. Which equipments used? What is the capacity and strength of these equipments? First point is double-ended ranging drum shearer, which is DRT. I already told about in last slide. Double-ended ranging drum shearer of 200 kilowatt power with operating range from 2 meter to 3.6 meter is used. Okay. Next is armored flexible conveyor, which is AFC, of 180 kilowatt is suitable for mounting this shearer. Okay. Next is point is stage load proof 90 kilowatt motor to feed the coal into gate belt conveyor, self advancing power support suiting the operating height range. Okay, and have capacity. Next point is cyclic phase operation. What is cyclic phase operation? Phase operation means we extract a phase as we advance and come retreat it. It's called one cycle. So cyclic of phase operation, it means towards shaft, towards mine boundary, it is a cycle. Okay. So first point is cutting and loading of coal. Cutting by DRD and loading by belt conveyor towards underground to surface. Cutting and loading of coal. Okay. Simply cutting by DRD and loading by through belt conveyor. Okay. Next, snaking of phase conveyor. Snaking of phase conveyor means like snake. Snaking means zigzag motion. The phase conveyor is used. Okay. Advancing of power support towards the phase. Advancing of power support, it means as we shown in image last two slides, a power support, hydraulic support is needed to support the roof, and towards phase advances, the power support also advances towards mine boundary in Longwall advancing method. Then controlling power pack, which is natural roadways. Next point is other auxiliary operations such as erection, gate road support, withdrawal of gate road support, extension of gate weight conveyor, shortening of gate weight conveyor. It is always better to have half phase system of cutting. This involves the shearer to start cutting from the midpoint of AFC with leading drum shearer in top position and trailing drum of shearer in down position. Okay. After completing cut in one direction, it returns to the middle position to cut the other half of the phase. Okay. This is totally about Longwall method of mining. First we discuss about what are the methods, then discuss about each and every methods of Longwall mining, and then applicability conditions, cyclic phase operations. Okay. Then which equipment